How to recover a Fortnite account without email or password. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover Fortnite without email or password. Go to the Epic Games website and navigate to the support section. Look for options related to account recovery or contact customer support directly. Epic Games support may ask you to provide proof of ownership of the account. This could include information such as the account's creation date, any purchases made on the account, or other details that can verify your ownership. This is how you can recover a Fortnite account without email or password. You can follow these steps and it will be an easy process to recover your Fortnite password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.